Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today's story is called My Day Without a Phone. In this story, Sam's phone stops working, and he spends the day with his friend, Ellie, without using a phone at all. You will hear their natural, simple, and friendly conversation as they walk, talk, and enjoy the day together. This story is great for practicing everyday English, especially slow and relaxed speaking. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please listen carefully and try to follow along. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Morning. Okay, phone first. Huh? Why? The screen is black. Not my eyes, right? Power button hold, no reaction. I charged it last night. I remember. I watched YouTube before bed. Okay, charger, plug in, no light, no charging. Is the cable dead? No, I have another one. Try this. Yeah, the phone is the problem. So it's really dead. Oh no, my plans today, my schedule, messages, everything was in here. I don't even know what time it is. My clock was also my phone. This is bad, but staying here won't help. I think I was supposed to meet Ellie at the park? Around now? Maybe? I'm just gonna go. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Wow, I really depend on this thing. Like a lot.
Hey, Sam. Morning. Your face looks like you lost a war.
My phone died.
Rest in peace.
No, really. It won't turn on, won't charge. My whole life was inside it.
Yeah, I get it. That's very modern human of you.
I didn't know the time. I just came here by instinct.
Wow, pure instinct, like a wild animal.
Exactly. I am a caveman now.
Then today is Sam's primitive survival day.
Funny, not comforting.
It's okay. I will be your map and your clock today.
Thank you. But also I'm scared.
Don't be. I won't let you get lost.
One problem, though. I keep touching my pocket, like the phone is still there.
That's not a habit. That's a reflex.
Yeah, my brain auto-checks my phone, even when it's gone.
Let's take a break from that today.
Okay, I'll try.
I come to this bookstore a lot.
It's small, but calm. I like the feeling.
Right? The air is gentle here.
Usually, if I see a book, I search it online. Is it good? Is it worth buying?
Today, you can't.
Today, I have no choice but to choose with my senses.
Yes. Your eyes, your hands, your heart.
Wow. Philosophical.
There are philosophy books here too.
No, thank you. Not today. Oh, look. A travel photo book. Small towns around the world.
Yes, that one is nice. Real places, real people. Not famous, just life.
Yeah, it feels real. The light in the pictures feels soft.
Photos on a phone are fast. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Done.
But this, my hand stops. I look longer.
That is called staying, not rushing.
Staying. Yeah. That is the word of the day.
Today's theme, feeling alive.
I like that.
My breathing feels deeper today. I didn't notice that.
Phones make our bodies tight. Our eyes freeze on the screen.
And our minds are always waiting for a message, for something to happen.
But today, there is no waiting, only walking.
This is freedom.
Yes, simple freedom.
It feels like childhood, when a day was just a day.
Yeah, no apps, no notifications, only sky.
Today, the sky feels big.
It is always big. We just forget to look.
Wait, is that rain? Seriously?
You didn't check the weather app.
Because I couldn't.
Come on, let's run over there. Roof.
Okay, go, go, go! I'm wet. My hair is done. It's over.
You look fine, just a little funny.
Thanks. I feel like a wet cat.
But it's fun, right?
Yeah, it's fun. Annoying, but fun.
Unexpected things are sometimes the best part.
That sounds wise.
It is.
The rain sound is nice. Soft. Slow.
See? No phone, just rain.
Just rain. Just now.
Wow, the sky. The colors are strong, deep.
That means the day is ending.
Today felt long, but not in a bad way.
It was a day you actually lived.
Yeah, and I'm tired, but in a good way, a real way.
That's the best kind of tired.
Thanks for today. Really.
Of course. You did great, Sam.
My house is close now.
Yeah.
Today, I was scared at first, but then I felt calm and present, like I was really here.
You were.
I'll fix this tomorrow, but even when it works again, I think I won't hold it all the time.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, I want to keep this feeling.
You can. Just remember today.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
How was the story today? I hope you enjoyed watching Sam and Ellie spend a day without a phone. Maybe it made you think about your own phone habits too. If you learned some new expressions, try to use them in your daily conversations. Shadowing this video, listening and speaking at the same time can also help you improve your English. We will continue to make slow, clear, and natural English videos like this, so you can practice a little every day. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.